So we created our session. At this point we should already know what kind of song we want to produce. Maybe it is a two-track song like a piano or a guitar plus vocals. Or it could be a solo track, like a solo guitar song. In our case, I want to produce a multi-track song with a pop feeling. So, where do we go from here? Yesterday I got an idea for a song and I want to try it. I recorded this on my phone, so I'm going to import it into the session and listen. This is a song I feel figure a lot in the feel a lot in the feel a lot in the feel a lot feel a lot in the look at the feeling down turn down to the feel a lot down down the feeling the color down down to the lot the feeling to get to so we've got the idea. Now I want to put it on our structure of the song. Of course, this idea should change until the end of the song. This is a song I feel figure a lot in the feel a lot in the feel a lot in the feel a lot feel a lot in the look at the feeling down turn down to the feel a lot down. I'm going to start with the idea from the first verse. This is a song I feel let's say we got the idea for the first verse, the melody idea. Now, let's see in which key we are. I'm going to create an instrument track. This is a song I feel this is a song I feel figure a lot in the feel a lot in the feel a lot in the feel a lot in the. So it's E major. I want to make the song in F major because I like to write my songs generally in D minor or F major. So I'm going to transpose a bit my melody idea. This is a song I feel this is a song I feel this is a song I feel figure a lot in the look at the feeling down turn down to the feel a lot down the feeling